Here we are today up in Conwy in Tape Community Music and Film. The day will be filled full of panels and talks and workshops.
I was involved today here at the Winter Sounds Festival with Beacons Cymru, just on a panel talking about putting on events and how to make the best out of your local music scene.
Well, I wanted to see what the music scene in Conwy looked like, and especially around Conwy Bay, and mingle, see who's here.
It was great to see young people from across the county here and really enthusiastic.
It was the Future Disruptor panel to help aspiring event promoters in Wales. I give them a little bit of advice, say what worked for me in the past, what hasn't.
I encourage the fact that there's not one way to write a song. Actively listen to music, learn other people's songs, immerse yourself in music. I really enjoyed taking part. It was really good fun and I think I've taught them a lot.
Well, it's only just started, but we just did a songwriting course with Rosa. I don't have any music theory, so anything is good. Chord structure, whatever, melody, I'll have the PowerPoint later and I'll definitely use it.
You don't really find a lot of stuff to do with music in this sort of area. I feel like in the arts in particular, networking's a really important part of it if you do want to get into that industry. It's really great to be able to hear of people who have those connections.
I think it's all about networking, It's all about communications, we touched on in there.
Yeah, probably not going to stop saying it. Oh, but just chat to everyone. It kind of fires people up a bit, doesn't it? Because people are hearing someone else's point of view, writing down going, oh, I could do such and such.
Going to introduce people to promoters up here, so once they get confident enough, then they can go and get from being in the bedroom to being on a stage and performing to people. Even the guys then, when there was like 10 people in there, they was loving it because that was their first gig, that's their first time playing to people.
It's not often you get access to those type of gear that are available today. Let me have a go on a few mixing techniques and stuff like that.
It can give a lot of networking opportunities, but also build the confidence of a young person, because if they have role models to look up to that are going through similar things or a bit ahead of them on the journey, it's just going to make such a big impact.
I think events like this are incredibly important for young people, just being able to even see the network that they have and they might not have originally had access to.
Having Welsh language bands does really help the growth of the language, and that's so important because it's such a beautiful culture.
Favourite memory from the day? I really enjoyed playing. We had a nice time playing the set. But just sitting down and talking to the audience was really nice, really, because it's not really something that we get a chance to do very often.
It would just be so nice if it was centralised more in North Wales, because there are so many talented people that are local to here.
I wish we could come here more. I've met so many lovely people today who are really interested in music and just want better for their local area.
I had no idea that tape was a thing. I mean, look at it. It's great. I had no clue. I'm only down the road. No clue that it was here. If you're in Conwy, definitely come to Tape.
Thank you so much for joining us during our Winter Sounds Basecamp. You can find more at beacons.cymru.